Hello everyone, welcome back to channels. I am Ram. In today's video we are diving into two very important concepts in machine learnings, overfit and underfittings. These ideas are key to building the models that actually work well on new data, not just the data they train on. So before starting this video, if you are new to the channel, so guys please make sure like, comment and subscribe my channel. So now let's get started. So now let's try to understand what is the overfit and underfit. What is the overfit? Overfitting happens when a machine learning model learns the training data too well, including all the noise, random flexions or errors. Imagine students memorizing every answers to the practice test instead of understanding concept. They might get the perfect mark on the test but fail when faced the new questions. The same things happen with respect to the machine learning. Overfitting model perform extremely well with the training dataset, but it's fail to perform with the testing datasets. That means these models is not the generalized models. If I talk about the overfitting scenario, when the model perform well with the training dataset and it's fail to perform with the testing dataset, that means these models is not generalized models. For the example, if I just talk about the overfittings, see these models. This is an example with respect to the overfitting. See, these models has degree 3 in the polynomials regressions, which fit the training data too well. Low bias model fit every well with the training and thus produce the low errors. High variance for the test data, the model produced the very high error, and thus the difference between training and testing errors is high. You can able to see here the error is much high with respect to training and testing, right? The error is much high. That means this model is perform well with the training dataset and it's failed to perform with the testing dataset. So in this particular scenario we can say the model is overfit. In this particular scenario, what I can say, the model is overfit because see the model perform well with the training dataset and it's failed to perform with the testing dataset. So the technically what we can say, the low bias and high variance. Now let's go and talk about the underfitting. Underfitting happens when the model is too simple to capture the underlying pattern in the data. It's like a student who did not study enough their answer and obtained wrong or incomplete. Underfitted model perform poorly on the both training data and test data because it has not learned enough from the data. So what is the meaning of this one? That means the models fail to perform with the training dataset and also fail to perform with the testing dataset. For the example with respect to this one, you can see here the linear regressions not fit for the non-linear data. High bias, the model could not identify the true nature of the data. Low variance, any data will produce the high error in this model, so all the error will be the high. There will not much difference between the errors. So what I can say, in this particular case, the model failed to perform with the training dataset and also failed to perform with the testing dataset. So the technically in this particular case, what I can say, high bias and high variance. Now visualizing the overfit and underfittings. Imagine the scatter plot of the point representing our data and we are trying to fit the curve to it. Fitted models might be straight lines that does not fit the data points well at all. It missed the pattern. A perfectly fitted the models capture the general trends without the changing the every small bump. And the overfit models try to touch the every point, resulting in the very widely curves and then fit the training data perfectly, but it's too complex. See the real world scenario, what happens? See the overfit often occur when the model are very complex, like deep neural network with the many layers. When you are working with the deep neural network like that, the ANNA, artificial neural network, That times we have a multiple neural networks, and with respect to decision tree we have a multiples the leaf node. It's very grow deeply. Underfit might be happen when the model that are too simple like the linear regression for the highly non-linear data. Guys, that's all for today. So please guys do not forget to like, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.